Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up the AGSHOME security, and I'm going to walk you through everything that we received in the package. This is the base station, water sensor, motion sensor, the mount, charger, stickers, contact sensor, this is the keypad, and the remotes. So now I'm going to show you guys how to connect the device. Slide over onto on. Hold this up for a couple seconds. Click add device again. Connect Wi-Fi. Wait a couple seconds. And you're all connected. Now I'm going to show you how to install the contact sensor. Now I'm going to show you how to install the motion sensor. Now I'm going to show you where the water sensor goes. Now I'm going to show you how to install the keypad.